When logging in, please make sure to use the same email you provided during registration. If you do not have the invitation email, you're able to use the reminder button to get a reminder email sent to you again. The password you set will be the same on the desktop and mobile app. If you've attended another event with this organizer, you can reuse your previously set password. When you first log in, you will be presented with a few questions that help add information and details to your profile. These may already be filled in based on what you provided during registration. The more information you provide here, the better our AI algorithm is able to provide relevant recommendations for you to network with. As you continue to click through, you will have the option to update your contact sharing preferences. Click the profile icon in the top navigation bar. Here is where you can make changes to what you provided during registration. Things like your headshot, headline, job title, etc. Your name, profile picture, and headline are the snapshot of your profile that others will see when they are moving around the platform. As you move down, you'll see the onboarding questions that you previously answered upon first login. You can also add or edit your summary. Just make sure to click Update Profile to save all of your changes. If there is any point where you are unavailable for meetings throughout the event, things like lunch, any sort of breaks throughout the day, or times you'll be off-site, you can manage your availability so people cannot book meetings with you. Click on Manage My Availability for either blanket availability for an entire day, or click the pen icon on the right side to edit your availability in blocks of time when you will not be available. Please make sure you click on the Save Changes button at the very bottom before you leave the page. When it comes to networking on the platform, there are 3 main approaches you can take. If you know exactly who you're looking for, first and foremost, you're able to search for them by name or profile traits and features in the top bar of the platform. If you'd prefer to scroll and filter to find people, you can pop over to the appropriate profile list on the left-hand navigation. From here, you can use the filters in the top part of the platform to drill down and get a bit more granular about who you're looking for. You can also let our platform provide networking recommendations directly to you. Our AI engine will recommend people for you using an intelligent matching algorithm based on the details you provided during registration and the initial onboarding, combined with the complementary fields that attendees have provided. The more detail you provide the engine, the better our recommendations. This section will regularly populate with fresh recommendations, making it a really effective way to network and connect throughout the event. You'll receive batches of 10 profiles to act on by either showing interest, booking a meeting, or skipping. These particular actions you'll be able to take from the recommendations page or from any of the lists of profiles you browse through. You can also review networking actions you have taken. Interested in You is where you'll find anyone who has shown interest in your profile specifically. My Interested list are the profiles you have shown interest in, and my Skip list are any profiles you have said no thanks to. You can always undo these actions. When you are looking at the agenda of sessions, you can use the filters at the top or the session search bar to start building your personal schedule. When you pop into the session, you'll be able to see some more information about the session, speakers, and sponsors if applicable. As you add sessions to your calendar, they'll populate on your personal schedule further down the left navigation, where you're able to see your schedule at a glance. This includes both sessions and meetings you have scheduled. You can also confirm any pending meetings from here as well. When you are logging in, if you are the first person from your company, you will see an additional screen prompting you to claim your team. On this screen, you will be asked to add an internal name for your team. This will not change your company's name in the platform. Please leave the toggle turned on. You will now see the My Team section on the top right corner of your screen. The meetings page is where you'll be able to see all of the meetings that you and any of your colleagues have on their calendars. You can change the way meetings are displayed based on your preference with the View and Team Members filters at the top. Like other calendar providers, shaded meetings are confirmed and white meetings are pending. Additionally, you can book meetings for yourself or on behalf of your team members from the Create Meeting button. Once you've provided the participant details of the meeting, you're able to see mutual availability as well as add a custom note along with the invitation. As people begin interacting with you, your colleagues, and your company profile, they will become inbound leads. You'll be able to review these inbound leads and either qualify them by showing interest back or requesting a meeting, or disqualifying them by skipping or taking no action. You can add notes and a 5-star rating that you and your colleagues can collaborate on. Use the @ symbol to tag your colleagues for any further notes and follow-up. Any messages that participants send to your company profile, you'll be able to see here. You can respond on behalf of the company by clicking on the chat button. Additionally, you will get a notification in your notification center for any new messages. As you qualify and book meetings with your inbound leads, they convert to contacts and move on to this list. You'll be able to find that here as well as see any history of their activity with some additional filters and tools along the right-hand side. Here you are able to see all of the members of your team for this event. There are 2 roles, admin and team member. If you are the admin, you can edit your colleagues' personal availability and profile, as well as make other colleagues admin. All team members are able to book meetings on behalf of each other, edit the company profile, and answer any company chat regardless of their role. Here you have your company profile where you're able to manage your company's presence within the platform. Choose a cover photo that shows on the desktop version. Add or edit your company logo as well as the key profile fields. The logo and headline are super important as these display as your company preview throughout the platform. Please make sure you click Update Profile at the bottom to save any changes. Here you are able to view, add, and edit additional item profiles that you are showcasing at the event. These are updated very similarly to your personal and company profiles. From the Settings tab, configure custom questions to leverage for quick and consistent lead qualification. Choose between single select, multi-select, or paragraph open text question formats. These answers will be included on any export from my team. You are able to export your company's contacts and accepted meetings from the event. Both exports are available in a CSV or Excel file. Please make sure to clear your inbound leads and convert and qualify those before exporting your contacts.